Looking for a laptop that combines power, style, and versatility? Meet the Aspire 3, a laptop designed for modern professionals, students, and families alike. Purposefully designed for those on the move, its thin and light build lets you travel with ease, looking great wherever you go. Equipped with the latest AMD Ryzen 3 7320U processor and Radeon graphics, the Aspire 3 delivers ready-to-go performance. Ideal for handling work, school, and everything in between. Experience visuals like never before on a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display. With sharp details, vibrant colors, and narrow bezels, it's perfect for presentations, graphic design, and enjoying your favorite content. With 8GB LPDDR5 memory and 128GB NVMe SSD storage, the Aspire 3 is built to store your files, projects, and media, all while delivering efficient multitasking. Need a laptop that keeps up with remote work and online meetings? The HD front-facing camera, powered by Acer's TNR technology, ensures high-quality video, even in low-light conditions. And with Acer Purified Voice, AI-powered noise reduction ensures your voice comes through loud and clear. Stay connected with Wi-Fi 6 technology and 2x2 new MIMO, providing fast, consistent connectivity for seamless online sessions, perfect for professionals on the go or families sharing a single device. With an improved thermal system that features a 78% larger fan surface area, enjoy cooler, longer, and more efficient work sessions. No need to stay plugged in. Keep going wherever your day takes you. The Aspire 3 has all the ports you need, including USB Type-C, USB 3.2, HDMI 2.1, and an audio jack. Connect your essential accessories with ease. The Aspire 3, where style, performance, and productivity meet. Whether you're a student, a remote worker, or a family needing a shared device, this laptop is built to keep you moving forward. For those interested in purchasing this reliable and high-performance laptop, check the link in the description to buy it on Amazon. Amazon ensures timely delivery of trusted, top-quality brand products. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more of the best Amazon products.